Once upon a time, two sisters named Jane and Ella lived in a small cottage at the edge of a village. The sisters were very poor, and many days passed without enough food. To forget her hunger for a while, Ella decided to take a walk into the forest. With only a small flask of water, Ella walked farther and farther from home. Ella continued walking deeper into the forest, hoping to forget her hunger. After walking for a long time, Ella became tired and weak. Feeling thirsty, Ella reached for the small flask of water she had brought from home. Just as Ella was about to drink, a mysterious old woman appeared before her. The woman looked weak and thirsty, and Ella immediately felt sorry for her. Without hesitation, Ella offered her water to the thirsty stranger. The old woman drank the water and felt refreshed. Suddenly, a strange golden light began to surround the old woman. The old woman was no ordinary traveler. She was a powerful witch. Impressed by Ella's kindness, the witch decided to reward her. The witch promised Ella a magical pot that would provide food whenever it was needed. Ella rushed home, eager to see if the witch's promise was true. When Ella returned home, she found a strange pot waiting on the table. Ella remembered the witch's instructions and prepared to test the magical gift. To their amazement, the pot began cooking delicious sweet porridge all by itself. The sweet porridge was the most delicious meal they had tasted in a very long time. Days passed, and for the first time in years, the sisters never had to worry about hunger. One morning, Ella decided to go for another walk. Before leaving, Ella remembered there was something important she needed to tell Jane. But as often happened, Ella forgot what she wanted to say. Later that day, Jane began to feel hungry. Since Ella was away, Jane decided to make porridge herself. The magical pot quickly filled with warm, sweet porridge. After eating her fill, Jane felt completely satisfied. But the pot did not stop. It continued cooking more and more porridge. Jane waited for the pot to stop, but the porridge kept coming. She tried everything she could think of, but nothing worked. Soon the porridge overflowed onto the table. To stay above the rising porridge, Jane climbed onto the table. The porridge spread across the room faster and faster. Meanwhile, Ella was making her way back home. Inside, Jane was trapped on top of a table surrounded by endless porridge. Inside, Jane was trapped on top of a table surrounded by endless porridge. At last, Ella remembered the words the witch had taught her. The porridge finally stopped, and the sisters breathed a sigh of relief. The disaster was over, but their cottage was still filled with mountains of porridge. Then Jane thought of a way to turn the accident into something good. Ella hurried through the village and invited everyone to come and eat. Soon the villagers arrived carrying bowls, baskets, and containers. Jane and Ella shared the porridge with everyone who needed food. For many people, it was the first full meal they had eaten in days. Seeing so many happy faces filled the sisters with joy. From that day on, they used the magical pot to help those in need. One day, a mysterious old beggar came to visit them. The traveler explained that his grandchildren were hungry and needed help. The sisters knew the magic pot was precious, but they also knew hungry children needed help. Without hesitation, they decided to give the magic pot away. As soon as the traveler accepted the pot, something extraordinary began to happen. The old traveler was not who he appeared to be. It was the witch who had given Ella the magical pot. The witch explained that she had been testing their kindness all along. They had passed the final test and proven their generosity. From that day forward, they continued sharing their gift with everyone in need. The village became happier and stronger because of their kindness. And so, Jane and Ella learned that the greatest happiness comes from sharing with others.